let's say my compliance fails or I miss an expiration date. Alvys has automatic alerts for safety audits or any potential issues before they arise. You can keep track of all required documents and inspections in one place in Alvys so that you pass those audits easily and remain compliant with DOT. So for example, let's say I'm a truck driver, I'm working really hard, the last thing on my mind is updating my medical card and taking some required drug tests. Alvys is going to send both me, the truck driver, and also my dispatcher notifications long before these things are due so that I can stay on top of them more easily. I'm reminded. And then let's say in the event that my coverage lapses or I'm not in compliance, Alvys will not allow me to receive any more load assignments. So a lot of those issues that used to arise with safety and maintenance for trucks and trailers or whatever it is, those compliance issues I need to stay on top of, a lot of those things are managed much more effectively with Alvys because Alvys is not only storing necessary documents, but also sending alerts and monitoring due dates and things like that.